Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and review on this Milwaukee M18 Hackzall, model number 2719-20. So this takes the M18 fuel. We've got the rechargeable battery here. We're going to put it on. It has a lock, so when you press the trigger, unlock it, it only has one direction, and it is variable. Very easy to put a hacksaw blade in, takes any standard. You just rotate this and slide it in, and there, it's locked in. Now when I press the trigger, so I like that this handle is kind of grippy. We have a light LED light here on the front. This is kind of rubberized here, but this is metal. This moves. So here I've got some Sawzall blades. So you may have some metal cutting Sawzall blades, but these are cobalt, made by Tulsi. And I've got like a smaller one that you might put in a Sawzall, but it takes the same type of blade. Again, there's the longer one, and again, it's very easy to, it's called a quick change blade. All I'm doing is, this is spring loaded, and you just rotate it. Rotate it, put your blade in, and that way you're ready to go. You can turn it the other way if you want to cut upwards. Just put it in backwards like that. I can cut that way. Now this is kind of heavy. It has a little bit of weight to it, but it's very well balanced. So this longer blade has 18 teeth per inch. It says it's for thin metal, seems very sharp for metal. And this smaller one has 18 teeth per inch, not as long. Let's do some quick measurements. So the cutting surface is about 8 inches and about 5 inches. But when you put it into this Hackzall, let's see how much space we actually have of cutting. So you're going to have about 4 inches. And again, you got to keep, you don't want anything to hit in front of it. That'll really bend that blade. So if something's in front of it, it'll bend it. So it looks like about 4.5. Yeah, about 4 to 4.5, almost 5. All right, now let's do the longer one. Again, cutting about 7.5. 7.5 to 8 to 7 3/4. I've got the XC5. It's got this little button, but you can press back here. It shows you how much battery you have left. That's really nice. And to take these on and off is very simple. Press the tabs and they just slide on and off till they lock. So I'm very happy with this. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.